Hello, Christian. Good morning. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, here is a good news that I have already completed your tasks successfully. I have configured for you two forms, like one is Calendly form and second is Wi-Fi lead form. And I also configure for you WhatsApp button click, social media link like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So now let's check how it works. For check, we need to go from your Google Tag Manager. Here is preview mode. Here is a Google Tag Assistant, and I put your website link here. So let's connect. Here is open your website. So check Calendly from and Wi-Fi from. So here is your forms. I have already dropped my name, first name, last name, and email. Here is my phone number. I need to service this on. Yes. The form is successfully sent. So here is tag fired GA4 Calendly. GA4 Calendly from already fired. So now I will check your analytics. For check in analytics, we need to go your debug view. For debug view, here is a debug view. So here is Calendly event scheduled. I hope you see Calendly date and times. Calendly event type viewed. When I was viewed the from not submit, I just view. Here is view count and date and time selected. Here is date and time, and when I finally scheduled, here is event scheduled. So now I am going to the Wi-Fi lead from. Here this one, my name, here is my Gmail. Here is my phone number. Test. So brother, and here is GA4 Wi-Fi from submit, which I configured for GA4 Wi-Fi from submit. So now I will check GA4. So brother, here is generate lead. Here is generate lead from already submitted. Here I post data, email, from ID, name, my name Salim, and here is my phone number. So generate lead form is perfectly fired. We need to go WhatsApp. So brother, here is GA4 WhatsApp button already fired. GA4 WhatsApp button fired. So let's check on GA4. Brother, here is WhatsApp button click perfectly. Push data on GA4. So now I am going to on social media. Here is a Facebook. I clicked. So brother, here is a GA4 Facebook outbound. So check GA4. So brother, here is a Facebook button click. Now I click LinkedIn. LinkedIn is fired. You can see. Now I'm going to GA4. Here is LinkedIn, guys. Sorry, here is LinkedIn, brother. So Instagram also works as well. I'll show. No need to worry. Instagram. Brother, here is GA4 Instagram outbound already fired. Brother, here is Instagram button. So I am pretty excited because I have successfully completed your work. Thank you so much for again hire me.